Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to transfer your Wix Premium plan to another site. This can be helpful if you want to use your subscription on a different website without buying a new plan. On your Wix Studio dashboard, to transfer your Wix plan to another site, all we need to do is click on Billing and Subscriptions. Once we are here, just go to Premium Subscriptions. Under Premium Subscriptions, if you already have a premium subscription, you will see it here. At the bottom right of your subscription, you will see 3 dots. We cannot show you this here because there is no subscription on this account. But if you already have one, you will see 3 dots on your subscription and it will look like this. Once you click on it, you will see Assign to a different site. Just click that option and follow the prompts that appear on your Wix dashboard. And that's it. We can now transfer the plan to another site. With this simple process, we can manage our subscriptions more efficiently and get the most out of our plan.